Hey guys, welcome back to another quick inform video. Just came back from the pool, so if I look a little red, I don't even know if you can tell from the camera or my hair's a little messed up. That's from the pool, so yeah. I need to go take a shower actually. So let's get into today's deals. It looks like it's from deals.boostmobile.com. So let's see. I've never really used this website, so I'm not sponsoring it. I'm not recommending it. I've never used it, so can't really say. But it looks like Tom's Guides is the one that is kind of telling us about it, and Tom's Guide is usually really good at giving information out to people that's kind of trustworthy. So it says Boost Mobile 5 gigabytes of 5G/4G data for $15 a month, $45 for 3 months of service, guys. Wow, it's not bad at all. So basically, it's 45 divided by the 3 months. It's $15 a month. That's how you get this deal. You have to see if your location qualifies, so that's another kind of caveat or requirement. So you have to put your zip code, enter your email, then check availability. It says by continuing, you agree to our terms and privacy policy. 5 gigabyte plan for $15 a month is billed every 3 months. Wow. So says 5 gig for $15 a month is billed every 3 months. New customers, so every 3 months it's going to be $45 a month. New customers only, so you cannot be an existing customer. You have to be switching. Well, it doesn't even say switching; it just has to be a new customer, basically. 5G service required. 5G service requires compatible devices. 5G is not available everywhere. So, the incredible value in wireless. So, let's say what you get for this: unlimited talk and text, 5 gigabytes of 5G/4G LTE data. Mobile hotspot, that mobile hotspot, of course, you use up that 5 gigs. Free SIM card, that's a $10 value. Free shipping, that's a $5 value. Works on most unlocked GSM phones. So right there, remember, Boost Mobile now uses T-Mobile's network as well as AT&T's network if I believe you get this black SIM card. So this actually might be on AT&T's network. So check availability now. Says 5G plan for $15 a month. It's billed every 3 months. New customers only. Same thing. So why choose Boost Mobile? It says Boost Mobile gives you the power you want from a wireless carrier. Power to save, power to choose. Unlimited talk, text, no contracts because it's prepaid. Great plans for any budget. Free shipping. America's largest 5G network, which of course states T-Mobile. Of course, a couple steps. You get your free SIM card. Save 50% or 40% on 5G. 5 gigabytes per month when you buy 3 months. So, but I believe with these package deals, you use AT&T's network. So, free your smartphone. It says insert your Boost Mobile SIM card into any GSM unlocked Android or iOS 15.2 and above. Wow, that's like a newer. And get excellent high-speed data at low prices. So you can also earn up to $100 off your mobile bill. This is download and join our exclusive rewards program. So of course, Boost Mobile does have a rewards program, Boost One, play games, download apps, and more for account credits. Great deals and exclusive offers from brands you love. Access and manage your Boost Mobile account. More speed, more power. America's largest 5G network. So pretty cool. It says data access. Let's see some of the fine print. It says data access ends after allotment data usage. All plans include 50 domestic voice roaming minutes. Not all plans can be combined with other offers. Mobile hotspot, VPN, and P2P limits. Plans include mobile hotspot usage draws from the high-speed data allotment. So that's what I'm saying. So if you have 5 gigabytes of high-speed data, if you're using hotspot, it's going to use that allotment. Except 12 gigabytes on $50 plan and ends after usage. Payments, of course, total plan price includes service, taxes, and fees. Payment due every month. Of course, you will get suspended if you don't pay your bill. Now, of course, after 60 days of not paying your bill or activating your account, if you have any balance, you will forfeit that. That's another thing you have to take a look at, guys. So, pretty cool. So, let me know in the comments below what you think. Is this a good plan? Like I said, you're saving, I believe, a good chunk of money on here. That's a $75 value, guys. So you're getting it for only $45 a month. So not bad. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Dronic Warfare signing off. I'm a little tired, and a little hungry, so just came from the pool. So more on that. Thank you, guys.